This short guide shows how to buy shares of Lundbeck A/S, a Danish pharmaceutical company focused on neurological and psychiatric treatments. It trades on CBOE EU under the ticker HLUNBCO. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type in the ticker HLUNB.co to find the listing. Select the matching Lundbeck A/S result to open its asset page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the instrument. Make sure the listing displays the HLUNB.co ticker before moving forward. To buy, choose the Buy option. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your Lundbeck position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to follow this example, find the broker link in the video description.